Pete, special edition of the repair shop for you. Shed edition it is. This is my caravan. I will keep a few handy things in here. Look. It's going to be a quick video because we're going to do some rushing about. See that tin at the bottom there? Full of nails, that is. I've had them years. Right, hang on. That's where we've just been in there. Right, now I'm going to go show you my other shed now. Hang on. What's round here? There's my wheelbarrow there, look. Here's my tractor. There's my tractor, look. Can't beat an old tractor. Hang on. Two lovely sheds here, look. This one, I'll use the doors for something else. Can you see in there? Can you see in there? Hang on. Keeps a bit of hay in there, I do. Hang on. Another shed here, look. That's a lovely shed. Done the roof myself. Hang on, Keely. Fell over. Oh shit, that's Casey Harness is in here. Yeah, done that roof myself. Hang on. Some trees over there, look. Here's my bath. Come here. This man, the old these 8 sheds, look. That's my stable block, look. Right, come on. So this shed, I made this myself last year. No, 2 years ago I did. I built it from scrap. All the cunts at the end throw all their old shit over the fence. And I salvaged it and built all this old crap they throw over my fence. I built this lovely shed here, look. Cost me nothing, that didn't. 60 quid it cost because I had to fucking buy 2 bits of wood for the roof and a bit of roofing felt. You want to show me other fence? Right, the garden, look. There's my trampoline, look. Does a bit of bouncing on that sometimes. Got the towels out on the lawn. They've done wash the towel sheds because this is a bit windy. It's a good day for washing towels. Mate. Oh. I sit on them chairs sometimes. Refurbished that I did. Refurbished that last year. Falling to bits that was. Put a new cut bit of glass in and everything. I'll show you my new shed that I'm building. Look. It's a greenhouse really. But I found 2 old fence panels, look. One there. And one there. I ain't finished it yet. Got a bit of tarpaulin on them. I've got some what do you call them, panels go on the top, fiberglass. Yeah, a bit of tarpaulin around it. I ain't finished it yet, I only started it yesterday. I'll send you a photo when I've done it. I'll show you a secret now. Look.